Thinking about starting an online language translation service in Singapore? As a global business hub with diverse languages and international clients, Singapore is an ideal base for digital translation services. Step 1. Define your niche. Will you focus on legal translations, business documents, marketing content, websites, or certified translations? Specializing helps you attract the right clients and command higher fees. Step 2. Register your business with ACRA. Many online translation services start as sole proprietorships or private limited companies, depending on scale and liability considerations. Step 3. Ensure quality and compliance. Implement quality checks, confidentiality agreements, and data protection measures to comply with Singapore's PDPA and build client trust. Step 4. Build your online presence. A professional website, SEO, and online marketplaces help you reach clients worldwide while operating from Singapore. With the right setup and systems, your online translation business can scale globally. 3E Accounting Singapore supports digital service providers with business registration, compliance, and tax planning. Visit our website to get started today.